because of the place where it occurred and the patriots who were its victims. The SRP is where our men and women in uniform. And these are just a few of the many heartbreaking letters I've gotten from them in the past couple of weeks, including more than 30,000 over the past few days.
They see firsthand the heartbreaking costs of our healthcare crisis.
The stories I get are heartbreaking all across the country from people who are just having a really tough time, and it's going to get tougher.
It's heartbreaking, it is wrong, and as I said last night, nobody should be treated that way in the United States of America.
And that's painful, and it's heartbreaking.
What is going to happen?
Well, first of all, you're right that this is heartbreaking.
I just had a chance to listen to Mayor David Carmerdale of Grand Island, our host here, telling us heartbreaking stories about fishermen who are trying to figure out where the next paycheck's going to come from, how are they going to pay a mortgage or a note on their boat, and it's heartbreaking. And my administration is in regular contact with these families, and this was a heartbreaking decision for them that reopened a whole host of new wounds. Heartbreaking tragedies that unfolded there when it was used as a shelter from that terrible storm lingered all too fresh in a lot of people's minds. And what I saw in that camp was heartbreaking. Families who had lost everything, surviving on aid. The loss of life has been heartbreaking, especially in Alabama. And from this storm was simply heartbreaking. Entire homes and blocks just gone, wiped away. Some families lost everything. The devastation is unimaginable and is heartbreaking, and it's going to be a long road back. And they come here to Joplin, and it is just as heartbreaking and in some ways even more devastating. And it was a heartbreaking to get in the way, particularly because some of the folks who walked away had previously been sponsors of this. Now, all that